Reselling sneakers has become a profitable business for many entrepreneurs and side hustlers, especially with platforms like Offerup. Offerup is an excellent marketplace to find outstanding deals on sneakers, often at lower prices than retail. Whether you are new to the sneaker market resale or an experienced seller, learning how to navigate Offerup effectively can significantly boost your success. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy sneakers off Offerup and resell them for a profit by following a step-by-step process. Researching the sneaker market. Knowing the state of the sneaker industry is crucial before making any purchases. If you want to make smart purchases, you need to know which brands, models, and designs are currently popular and in demand. Popular shoe labels like Jordan, Nike, and Adidas, especially rare or limited edition pairs, tend to hold their value quite steadily. See what other people are saying or are paying for certain sneakers by searching on sites like eBay, Go, or StockX. These will provide you with an accurate picture of the market value and the things people are prepared to pay for. Making more informed purchase decisions based on current shoe trends can enhance your prospective profit margins. Finding sneakers on Offerup. After identifying the sneakers you wish to resell, the next move is to locate them on Offerup. Begin by searching for utilizing targeted terms like brand, model name, and size to find specific models. Utilizing filters such as new with tags or gently used can significantly refine your search results. Carefully review the seller's listing and condition of the sneakers, as these elements significantly influence resale value. Seek out listings featuring sellers who have provided clear, high-quality images that showcase the sole, sides, and any signs of wear and tear. This visual inspection enables you to assess the condition prior to extending an offer. Negotiating the price. Negotiating is one of the key strategies when buying sneakers on Offerup. While some sellers list their items at firm prices, many are open to reasonable offers. Start by offering a price slightly below the listing to give yourself room to negotiate. Be polite and clear about why you're offering at that price, such as mentioning the market value or any visible wear. A successful negotiation can leave you with extra profit margins when it comes to resell. Always remember to factor in shipping costs, especially if you're purchasing from a seller who is not local. Inspect the sneakers before purchase. If you are meeting the seller in person, inspect the sneakers carefully before finalizing the deal. Look for any flaws that may affect the value, such as scuffs, loose stitching, or fading. It is also important to check for authenticity, as counterfeit sneakers are common in the resale market. You can authenticate sneakers by comparing them to official versions from the brand's website or by using apps designed for sneaker authentication. Being thorough with your inspection ensures that you do not purchase fake or damaged sneakers that could hurt your resale efforts. Reselling your sneakers for a profit. Once you have purchased sneakers, it is time to prepare them for resale. Start by cleaning the sneakers if necessary, ensuring that they are in the best condition possible before listing them up for sale. Subsequently, take high quality photos from multiple angles, emphasizing any features that increase their value, such as limited edition tags or unique designs. When making your listing, make sure that the detailed description is included and has the brand name, model name, size, and condition. Use multiple platforms to reach a larger audience, including Offerup, StockX, Go, and eBay. Price competitively, but do not be afraid to list them slightly higher to leave room for negotiation. Building a reputation as a reseller. Reselling sneakers is not just about making a one-time sale, but rather building a positive reputation as a trustworthy reseller can help you succeed in the long term. Ensure you provide excellent customer service by communicating clearly with potential buyers and shipping products promptly. Encourage buyers to leave reviews on Offerup, as a positive feedback can boost your credibility and attract more buyers. The more reputable that you are, the more likely customers will return to buy from you in the future.